when you host at home, you really want people to instantly feel like they've come to somewhere where they're going to eat well. You know, the smell of home cooking, like a roast chicken, those things instantly drive the emotions, and it makes people feel so positive. You follow that up with a glass of champagne or some wine or a cocktail or whatever, and then you're off and running. When guests come to my house, we do drinks in the kitchen. We don't sit formally in the sitting room sipping on a glass of champagne or a kir. So your kitchen does need to look fairly set up and organised. One of my favourites is to start off with oysters. So everyone comes to the kitchen, I'll shuck some oysters, and then people will garnish oysters for each other. So it's a kind of a really nice sense of everyone getting to know each other before they sit down to table for the main event. When it comes to sharing at table, size is always really impressive. If you just put a few really, really good quality ingredients down on the table that are indisputably part of that season, people will be very excited by that. And lastly, people seem to be eating less and less sugar. At that point when dinner becomes a conversation, having cheese on the table is something that continues that sense of eating together. And you're not doing a cheese board with 46 different types of cheeses. This one thing often commands much more respect and draw. Dinner parties are not just about showing off your culinary skills. They are about enjoying your friends and enjoying good food at the same time. And so there does need to be a kind of a balance.